Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to comment photos on the TikTok app. If you want to comment on a TikTok video using a photo, you can do it directly from the app. This feature lets you make your comments more interactive and expressive by adding images, not just text. It's a fun way to share reactions, highlight something in the video, or just make your comments stand out among others. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Now, find and select the video where you want to leave a comment. Next, tap on the comment box below the video. Here, tap on the image icon to attach a photo. If prompted, allow TikTok to access your photos and videos so you can select an image. Now, choose the photo you want to comment with from your gallery. After selecting the photo, you can also type a text comment if you want. Then, tap on the send button to post your comment. As you can see, your comment with the photo is now posted. If TikTok restricts any features in your region, you can use a VPN. Go back to your device, open the Play Store, and search for any VPN app. Now, download and install it, then connect to a different region to access full features. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.